Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Love at Home. Today I'm going to show you how to make a trellis. The way I decided to make it, it's a little different than what you'll usually see on other YouTubers, but I'll give this way a shot. I'm going to end up cutting my first trellis at this height, so when it grows you'll be bending over. And I'll show you how I stick it to the ground. I don't know how tall this is, but I'll figure it out. So over here I'm actually going to be drilling 2 screws into a hinge towards the base of the wood plank. As you can see, this is necessary if you don't have any support where your dragon fruit is going to be. And once you stand it up and you put it into this hole, this pre-dug hole, it should fit like that. Initially, you have to figure out how deep you need to dig the hole. Now I'm just going to be nailing the support stick on top of the other stick, and it should look like this to support the edge of the dragon fruit. So first, as you can see, I dug a hole. I used a drill, dug a hole right there. Then, after that, I installed one stick here. It was usually above this, so eventually it will come, as it grows up, it will eventually bend over, so it will give a dragon fruit flower garden. And then, on my third step, right here, as you can see, from the bottom, when they are stuck in the hole, I raise them up like this, and then I nail them here. I usually pre-drill 3 holes, so it would stick. I'm currently on 2 of them on one side, so that's why it's able to stand on its own. This was basically my level line to make sure that I'd be around this line, so when I eventually put the stick over there, it will balance out. So this is still the first part of the dragon fruit trellis, and I'll show you as I progress. After connecting the support sticks from one side of the trellis to the other, I am nailing down the top stick towards the bottom to provide additional support. For this is necessary because as a dragon fruit grows bigger and taller over the support stick, it will bear weight. As you can see here, on this section, this is called the support stick. It is supported as well with a hinge that I will show you right now, and that's what I used. It's a 4-screwed hinge where I connected 2 sticks together because one of them was too short to reach this length. So as you can see in this video, I am holding the dragon fruit, and it will need to go over a support stick like that. That would be necessary for the fruit to grow as well as to bloom. Initially, I want them all to be on the first support stick. Over here are the hinges that look like 90-degree hinges that is common to see when you hold bookshelves. As you can see, there's also another 2 standing support sticks closer to the dragon fruit. That's usually needed because as the dragon fruit grows bigger, they need to grab on something very quickly so it can continue moving upward. This is what it looks like, and you just basically put it on the ground. Now, if you like watching these videos, please subscribe, like, and comment, as I will also be posting a part 2 of this section in another custom dragon fruit trellis video. Thanks for watching.